Hi guys, this is Gabor here. Welcome to Bavaria and HO Scale. We have another tree tutorial today, and this time we're gonna be using super trees. Okay, so the box is empty, and this is how many trees, individual trees we got. It's about 60-70 pieces, and if you want to count all the little branches that you can make on a very small tree or bushes out of it, probably closer to 100. And then you got a whole bunch of these that you can use as a dead branch on your layout. So yeah, let's make some trees. Okay, the next step would be, you guys see these dead branches here? You want to pick these ones out. They look like this. You don't want to leave this on your tree. So just take them out with a pair of needle nose or tweezers, whatever you got handy. Okay, like that. You gotta take those ones out, they're just gonna look nicer. Okay, so we're gonna straighten out this tree now. First you put it up to the steam, soften it up a little bit, and then grab it with the needle nose right on top, and gently pull on it, hold it back to the steam. Once it's straight, you take it away from the steam, keep pull on the top and the bottom a little bit, few seconds, and then let go, and yeah, that looks pretty good. That's what you want. And the next step is to spray paint these trees, and you have to come outside, of course, and especially you want to get the tree trunk at the coat of kind of gray or brownish, something like that. So next one. Put some spray glue on these trees. I'm using Super 77. Make sure you got a good coverage. I'm gonna put on some foliage. I'm using Coarse Turf by Woodland Scenics, dark green. Just sprinkle it all over. Keep turning the tree so you got an even coverage. Try go from the top. From the bottom. You can dip it in there if you want. Whatever it works the best, basically. shake off the excess a little bit. And I think that looks pretty good. Let's bring this to the camera. And just for final touch, another coat of spray, but this time we're using Hairspray. And just an unscented one. Just the cheapest hairspray you can find. Just give it a coat like that, and that should lock it in. And that's pretty much it. Well, this was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you got any questions, just leave it in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, don't forget to share it with others. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, just subscribe to my channel. And I see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.